check it out now. I don't think the system want Meek Luther King to succeed, bro. I think the Rollies, I think the Wraiths, I think the goddamn Bentley coupes and Bentley trucks is hurting their heart, man. I ain't gonna lie. Because after I just reported like a mere 2 hours ago that a hearing was set for Meek Mill to go in front of another judge and basically talk to that judge about, number one, his first judge, Judge Brinkley, and also possible bail and also getting his goddamn sentence modified, the courts are now updating it that, oh, that was a mistake. They're basically saying, ain't no goddamn hearing coming, nigga. Okay, basically they're saying, April Fools, bruh. You ain't getting no fucking hearing. Now, the November 27 date, as I told you guys, that was supposed to be this whole meeting or hearing for Meek, it was apparently entered into the court system by mistake, okay? Which means there ain't no hearing right now, and until we hear otherwise, Meek Mill will remain in jail. There will not be a reconsideration of his case, the judge, the circumstances around it, or his sentence. This is very sad and unfortunate. I know a lot of people say, yo, man, I can tell you don't like Meek Mill. Listen, I just want justice to be served, okay? If Meek ain't doing nothing, get that nigga out of jail. Niggas would tell me that Meek Mill was saving babies from burning buildings. If he's that pure and he's that clean, he ain't do shit, get that nigga out of jail, okay? If there's a reason for him to be in jail and shit, I was pointing out facts before that, yo, listen, he's had a lot of opportunities because he allegedly violated his probation. Not allegedly, he did violate his probation according to courts 5 times. Okay, man, I don't know if I could be marching for him, okay? But if he was unfairly put in jail, let's get him out of jail. But it's up to his lawyers, it's up to people with the facts that support that he is being taken advantage to prove it. That's what it is, okay? And clearly when you file these motions of repeal, of trying to get a second opinion or judgment on the case, and the thing with probation is very tricky because it's really up to discretion, and it's hard to tell when someone's discretion is actually biased, all right? The only way they got to look at a judge is to say, Judge, have you been treating Meek Mill like everybody else that came in front of you? Okay, so everybody else you've dealt with on probation, if they did the same thing as Meek Mill, have you dealt with them in the same manner? There was a report in Philly's newspapers, so on Philly.com, that said that the judges dealt with Meek Mill just like she would deal with any regular person. Now, that of course excludes showing up to like the fucking soup kitchen to make sure Meek Mill is like serving food to the homeless people. But in court, they're saying giving him a chance after the first violation, second violation, third violation went to jail, fourth violation got a chance, and fifth violation sent him to jail for like a long time. That's how she's always operated. And because of that, it might be an uphill battle for Meek's attorney and everybody's on his side to try to get him out of jail. I'm just trying to give you all the facts. I know y'all love Meek. Okay? I know y'all love Meek. And if you're a fan of his, I'm here to try to give you the best information that could keep you knowledgeable but not delusional. Get in the comment box, make sure you guys like, and subscribe. I am sorry I reported that because the court has now issued a error. They said that was an error that was reported. It was not meant to be out. I'm up.